I'm here today to review such an incredible kitchen knife. I'll show you how incredible and fantastic it is, and let's go ahead and review it together. So let's unbox it together and show you how it comes here. Absolutely stunning, made of a beautiful wood, and comes here with a sleeve for the knife as well. I definitely love it, and the handle is super easy and amazing to actually hold, and the steel is absolutely fantastic, super sharp, and the handle is amazing, super easy to allow here. And here is the sleeve, so I actually love it. So it can make the knife here stay easily. So let's go ahead. I will just show you a little bit about this beautiful knife, and I try to cut with anything I want here, and it definitely went smooth, as you can see. Very amazing, and I love it so much. I definitely love the knife. It's super smooth and fantastic to use with vegetables, with meat, with anything I can use it with as well. Definitely I recommend it, and I love to use it so much. It's super easy, as you can see, and I definitely recommend it for everyone.